Hi, welcome to eBayTemplatesShop.com. When you buy template, it come in zip format, which you have to unzip and you will see two folders. In manual folder you will find instruction manual in PDF file where you will find the step-by-step guideline to configure HTML listing template. And in the second folder you will find HTML file and image folder. You will see the type of the folder HTML document. To edit the file, right-click on HTML file and open with TextPad. If you have Notepad or any text editor then you can open in that also. If you don't have TextPad software on your computer then you can download from textpad.com website. Now we're going to edit the HTML template file for configuration. When you open HTML file, the top section of template is CSS code which not allowed to edit because it will disturb the layout of template. In template we have provided comment tags, with start and end comment, which shows where to edit the details. For example, store name. You have to enter the details in between comment tags. Now we save the HTML template file and open the template file in browser for preview. Now you can see the title in template. Now we add product title. You can use same title which you going to use on eBay listing. Now refresh the template to check. Now we will the store name for template footer. And copyright text. We will use same name which we have used in header. Now we save the template and refresh the browser to see everything updated correctly. For description, payment policy, return policy and shipping policy details, go to template code and you will find here. Follow the comment tags provided in template which shows details contents for each box. You have to change only inside the comment box without deleting any HTML code. Now we're going to add product images in gallery. Product image gallery code is provided here in template. If you using your own image hosting then you can copy and paste image link here in image tag. If don't have image hosting then easy way to upload the image and get link from eBay itself. When you create listing on eBay, go ahead and upload the image first on eBay listing, then copy and paste the image links into the template. Once the all product images are uploaded, click on first image and click to enlarge. Right-click on image and select Copy Image Address. Paste the link into image tag. Where src attribute in between double quote. Repeat same process for rest of images. Once you complete all image, remove any unused image tags which we are not using. Now save the template and go to browser to check the update. Refresh the template to see update. You can see all images showing gallery. If any image not showing, then go back to eBay listing and copy the image link again. Now your HTML template is ready for use on eBay listing. Go to template file. Select all HTML code and copy. Go to your eBay listing where we have uploaded the product image. In HTML tab, right-click and paste the template code. Click on Standard tab to see the template preview. Make sure all link in template are HTTPS link. Thanks for watching.